Welcome everyone. In order to turn on flash in iPhone 14 Pro, the first step is you're going to find the top right hand side of your iPhone and you just want to slide down with one finger. Don't slide down from the middle, okay? Slide down from the far right hand side. From here, you're going to see this little flashlight toggle. If you tap on this, you can turn it on, tap it again to turn it off. If you long press on the flashlight, you can now select a custom flashlight intensity level. So this is the lowest intensity, this is the highest intensity. This level you set here will be remembered when you turn off the flash, turn it back on. So I'll have max bars. Now I'm going to use 1 bar, and you can see it remembered it. This little grey area here, if you tap on that, that will turn off the flash. And you can see it still remembers the last setting as well. Keep in mind, if you're in a third-party app or a camera app, FaceTime, etc., you will need to use the built-in flashlight option. You can see right here, turn on or flash. With video as well, you have the option here. And you may notice the flash isn't turning on. It only turns on when you take a picture or start recording. So it didn't turn on there. Maybe it may actually be glitched. Let's slide up. There we go. Okay, now the flash is working. It's a little bit glitched there, but you can see what I did instead. Slide up, see the flash toggle, boom, and then you have your options like so. With that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.